Welcome to At One Go Financial, where we break down real-life financial case studies to help you make smarter money decisions. Subscribe for daily tips, expert guidance, and practical advice to secure your financial future. Today we will be covering the financial tips with the title of A Recession is Coming Due to Trump Tariffs, How You Can Prepare Financially Now. A recession is coming, and this time, it could be triggered by the return of Trump-era tariffs. The warning signs are everywhere. Economic uncertainty is rising. Tariffs are distorting trade, increasing prices, and putting jobs at risk. So the big question is, what can you do to protect yourself and your finances before the downturn hits? Let's break it down. What's the impact of Trump's tariff policy? When tariffs are imposed, especially on major trading partners like China, they create a domino effect. Companies pay more to import goods. Those higher costs get passed on to consumers. American exporters face retaliation, making it harder to sell abroad. Supply chains get disrupted. Manufacturing slows down. Job losses begin to ripple across industries. Inflation rises, reducing your purchasing power. All of this adds up to one thing: recession pressure. GDP shrinks, consumer confidence falls, and spending drops. Who will be most affected? Not everyone feels a recession the same way. Here's who's likely to be hit hardest. Low to middle income households. They spend more of their income on essentials, which are the first to rise in price. Small business owners. Without deep reserves, they can't absorb rising costs or falling demand. Workers in trade-sensitive industries, manufacturing, agriculture, logistics, all vulnerable. Recent graduates and job seekers. Fewer job openings and stagnant wages make it tough to get ahead. When should you start preparing? The time to act is now. Recession declarations always come after the damage starts. If you wait for confirmation, it might be too late to cushion the blow. Stay ahead by watching these indicators. Rising unemployment. Inverted yield curves. Falling consumer confidence. Spiking inflation. And stay informed on any new trade policies or tariffs being announced. Where should you focus your financial strategy? You can't control the economy, but you can control your strategy. Here are 5 key areas to focus on. Emergency savings. Build or strengthen your emergency fund. Aim for 6 to 12 months of essential expenses. Use high-yield savings accounts for better returns. Income diversification. Don't rely on one paycheck. Start exploring side gigs, freelance work, passive income sources like rental property or dividend-paying investments. Budgeting and expense management. Trim the fat. Cancel unused subscriptions, cut back on luxury spending, and automate savings wherever possible. Debt elimination. High-interest debt is dangerous during a downturn. Pay off credit card balances and look into 0% APR transfer offers or debt consolidation if needed. Investment rebalancing. Reassess your portfolio. Shift towards defensive assets like blue-chip stocks, bonds, gold, and dividend ETFs. Avoid high-risk bets. Why is financial literacy so important right now? Recessions don't just test your bank account, they test your mindset. Without financial literacy, people fall into traps. Scams that promise quick profits. Emotional investing. Overspending when things start to improve. Financial literacy gives you the tools to make smart decisions under pressure. It helps you understand risk, recognize patterns, and stay calm when others panic. How can you build a recession-proof life strategy? Here's your action plan. Step 1. Do a financial health audit. Understand your full financial picture: income, expenses, debts, and net worth. Use tools or spreadsheets to get everything in one place. Step 2. Create a recession survival budget. Cut down to the essentials: housing, food, insurance, transport, and utilities. Funnel any extra money into savings or paying off debt. Step 3. Upskill and build your network. Take online courses in high-demand areas like tech or finance. Attend webinars, connect with people on LinkedIn, and grow your professional circle. Step 4. Protect your health and income. Make sure you have health insurance. Consider disability or income protection insurance. If you're self-employed, diversify your clients. Step 5. Invest with long-term strategy. Don't panic sell. Stay disciplined. Rebalance based on your risk tolerance and use dollar cost averaging to smooth out market swings. Step 6. Stay informed but don't overwhelm yourself. Check news once a week. Use trusted sources. Don't let headlines create fear-driven decisions. In conclusion, a recession may be coming, but it doesn't have to wreck your finances. With the right preparation, discipline, and mindset, you can not only survive the downturn, you can come out stronger. Plan early. Act fast. Stay flexible. Because the truth is, those who prepare don't panic. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Subscribe for more financial insights from @1Go Financial. See you in the next video.